Lake Norman, 704-892-9676. Today we're going to look at a brand new 2020 ZX21 Tige surf boat. Step inside, we'll take a look at some of the features the boat has to offer, and stepping inside we have a abundant of features in this boat. A real nice black and gray interior. You just have to see this boat in person to appreciate the detail and the fit and finish on this boat. You'll see real nice gas shocks, plug and play surf wake bags. This boat is powered with a Ford Raptor 400 horsepower water cooled engine. It's got a real nice walk-through Gator step flooring. Down here we have a seat. Simply lift and deploy. Everybody's facing rearward where all the fun is happening behind the boat. Want that out of the way. Simply stow like this. You have a knob up here. These deploy back down. Now you've got a nice U-shaped seat. As you'll notice, it's got a real nice trim lighting package in your fins. Very simple rack system. All this bimini will open, give you about 8 foot of coverage. This has got the Wet Sounds 10-inch speakers. Got a smart wheel. As you turn your wheel, you'll notice all your controls will stay stationary, so it makes it very easy to come back and toggle through. As you'll notice on the screen, that's actually got a rear view camera, so you can watch all the activity going on behind you. So your driver is actually aware of everything that's going on. You've got a nice bolster on the seat. It'll actually travel forward and back, give you a lot of leg room. You've got an in-charge phone holder here. Smartphones, plug them on, give you a charge while you're underway. Storage underneath all the seats. With this cover out of here, this flooring system is really deep. You can get a lot of gear down inside underneath this. We give you a mirror as well. We've got a nice glove box. We've got the power control for your batteries to disconnect right here under the glove box as well. Moving forward, real nice bow area. Ample seating, speakers, drink holders, plenty of room up in the bow of this boat. Again, I'm Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman. If you'd like to come by and see this boat, give us a call at 704-892-9676.